until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Maple Hill, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Topeka, Rossville, Silver Lake, Maple Hill, Texaco, and Willard. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 331 and 352. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.